in Rexburg, Idaho. This is called Nature Park here. But it's got a nice little playground. Looks pretty fun. If you're a little smaller than I am. And then pickleballers, a few ponds with trails in between them and all. And there's like a disc golf course, a little skate park, dog park over that way. Behind it all, they got a golf course, and the county airport is over here. Some nice bits of nature in there. I actually saw 2 snakes. It was rare enough to see one, but I saw 2 of them. A fairly bigger one, and then a smaller one. Yeah. Nice little stop on my way up to Yellowstone.